Introducing the letter R. R is for a rooster, crowing at dawn. R is for raking leaves on the lawn. R is for a rocket, blasting to space. R is for rain, falling all over the place. R is for robot, and a ribbon too. R is for roses, for me and you. What else starts with the letter R? How about racket? Rat and road work too. Can ring and rip be added to the crew? Can you think of words that start with the sound? Quietly think. Now turn and talk to your neighbor. Great job! Let's write the letter R. Down, back up, over, down, back up, over, down, back up, over. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinderwrong. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Kinderwrong.